This allows you for where
Yeah, this you can turn, you can cut a perfect circle with this, and when you're cutting, you can also pull this, and like if you're cutting and you want to turn, you pull up on this, and it just turns.
Oh, it turns the blade, okay.
And then you just twist this back when you want a straight cut.
Okay.
Because you can be cutting and turn it yourself. Just keep looking your hand and follow it. And then there's a line on it.
Okay.
How much is
Ricky, how much do you want for the little blue ladder?
For what?
This little blue ladder?
25. That way I don't have to get less color.
No. Yeah.
I can't remember if they just said 30 or 25. I think it said 30. 30. Okay, cool. I think so. I gotta see how much I have.
All right, also, let me see.
These are, is that for this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All of these.
Yeah. We have one of those. Yeah.
Wait, is it the one that's out right
You
now?
would want to.
No, but it's in the garage. It works.
These ones, what are these all for?
For,
Oh, the difference. Okay.
yeah, these are for the Sawzall and the Sawzall is this one,
Okay, if you want it,
which
go
are
ahead.
really nice to
I
have.
don't need to get that one.
You don't need to, but you may as well if it's cheap.
Cool.
So now I gotta go get that. Cool. Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, this is so funny. Okay.
Yeah.
You have all the pictures because here's full set. Well, don't you already have it?
You need another bag? And my sandwich gone. I've seen that for a long time. I love it. It's really cool when it's like, you want to see?
Found this athletics top.
They're that bad.
Yeah. Yeah, just they're tough. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, I dig it.
No, just bought the house, but somebody left all their stuff. Older couple. Because the workers are going to use it if we don't sell it. The guys that are remodeling. So $50 if you want it. I know that's a little high, but it's too up. To me, it's right.
también tenemos uno un poquito más chiquito.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, do you have any interest or no?
That's actually cool. The retro ones are actually. Does it look a little more modern? Was that Polaroid? Huh? We can ask him.
If you're ready now. For the one, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna look in there.
I think another $10.
Nora, I got this mirror. She's taking it out. Oh, perfect.
That was cool. Little tape rewinder.
I'll show you.
Sorry.
Really quick.
Okay, thanks for coming along with us as we went yard selling today. The yard sale where you saw us pick this up, this really cool vintage fireplace fan. This was such a cool yard sale. The previous owners left the house with all of their belongings in it. And so the people that bought the house were just trying to clear it all out. The house was just loaded with cool vintage pieces. That was a really fun yard sale. We weren't expecting to find much. There weren't a ton of yard sales posted, but thankfully we did fairly well and it ended up being a good day. Thanks for watching and happy thrifting.